Good morning students. Welcome back to our English class. Beta, yesterday we have learned about the sentences and kind of sentences. So what is sentences, beta? Sentences. What is sentences? Sentence, a group of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. So beta, yesterday we have learned also the kind of sentence. What is the telling sentences, statement sentences, interrogative sentences, question sentences and the command sentences. Okay, now we will do the exercise of the practice book from the page number 55. So beta, let's start. Tick the correct option from the boxes to form questions that match that answer. You have to tick the correct option. There are 4 options are here and you have to tick the correct options and match with that answer. We have to correct that option. Tick that option that is match with the answers. Okay, firstly we will read the answer. A. My favorite book is Alice in Wonderland. So what is the question? Which is your favorite book or who is your favorite book? Yes beta, tell me. Which is your favorite book? Yes beta. Which is your favorite book? Then answer is my favorite book is Alice in Wonderland. Now second one is what is your favorite author or who is your favorite author? Now firstly we will read the answer. My favorite author is Ruskin Bond. Then the question is what is your favorite author or who is your favorite author? Yes, for the person we will use the who. So, who is your favorite author? Then the answer is my favorite author is Ruskin Bond. Next one is C and the answer is Rashmi is standing at a bus stand. So, the question where is Rashmi standing or when is Rashmi standing? You have to where. Where is Rashmi standing? Then the answer is Rashmi is standing at a bus stop. Next one. Next one is answer is she is waiting for a bus. Then we will use the when. Where is she standing there? Or why is she standing there? Then we use the why is she standing there. Why is she standing there? She is waiting for a bus. That's why she is standing here. Now the next one is E. And the answer is we wear woolens in winter. So the question, when do we wear woolens? Yeah, why do we wear woolens? Yes, when do we wear woolens? कब हम पहनते woolens? We wear woolens in winter. Now the next F1 is we wear woolen to keep ourselves warm. So the question is when do we wear woolens? Yeah, why do we wear woolens? Why do we wear woolens? Then the answer is we wear woolens to keep ourselves warm. Okay beta. Now next exercise is form question for the following statement using the questions word. You have to given the beta question words in a bracket and you have to form the questions and the clues are there, answers are there. So firstly I will read, one example is done for you. Firstly we will read the answer. The train will arrive at 5:40 p.m. sharp. So then the question is and the bracket question word when we firstly we will use the question word. The question word is when. When will the train arrive? The question is when will the train arrive and the answer is the train will arrive at 5:40 p.m. sharp. Next one is the whale is the largest animal in the world and the question word is what is the question word? Which. So which is the largest animal in the world? इसमें द में बेटा E is missing so you have to write E also. Next one is it is 2:30. So what is the time? Then we will answer it is 2:30. Next one is yes I have read the book. And the question word is have. So the question is have you read the book? Yes, I have read the book. Now next answer is I have come from Australia. So then answer question is where. Question word is hey, where. Then you use where have you come from? And the answer is I have come from Australia. Next one I have over 100 storybooks. Then we will use how many storybooks do you have. Next one is who. MS Dhoni is the captain of the Indian cricket team. Yes, who is the captain of the Indian cricket team? MS Dhoni. We are going to Goa by air. Then how are you going to Goa? Next one is we are going to Goa in December. When are you going to Goa? We are going to Goa in December. And the last answer is the baby is crying because she is hungry. And the question is why is the baby crying? तो बेबी इज क्राइंग बिकॉज शी इज हंग्री. नेक्स्ट बेटा, नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है रीड द पैसेज इन मैन लर्न टू फ्लाई. You have to read the passage beta man learn to fly and frame 5 questions about flying and flight. That you have to do yourself and you have to frame 5 questions from the lesson man learns to fly and give it to me and send it to me. Okay beta, next one is worksheet 5. We have done earlier the command sentences. What is the command sentences beta? A command sentence in which we gives a command, offer an advice or a request. Examples have given: sit straight. Anshu, do not talk. Manu, complete your notebook. Rohan, give me a red pen please. So that is the above sentences are command sentences. Command sentences either order somebody, advise somebody or request somebody. This sentence is begun with a capital letter or end with a full stop. So beta, have you understand what is the command sentences? When we give a command or an advice or a request. For example, get out of the room, that is the command. Next, keep your surrounding clean, that is the advice. And next one, please leave your notebook for a day, that is request. Next exercise, unjumble the words to form proper command. Do not forget to begin the command with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. You have to form the proper commands. Okay beta, unjumble the words to form the proper command. So first one is sit down, down sit, sit down. On your stand, legs hind, stand on your hind legs. The two spectator balls, bow to the spectator. Throw ring the leap, leap throw the ring. The mount stairs, mount the stairs. Next one is worksheet C. Look at the signboards. You have to look at the signboards and write appropriate commands. First as given, do not blow the horn. Second one is smoking, no smoking. Third one is देखो dustbin, then use dustbin. Fourth one is zebra crossing, to cross the road at the zebra crossing. Look at the picture in fifth E, tap and cross, do not waste water. And the last one is car and the cross, then no parking. So that is the command. Now next we will do the exercise, that is read the following situations. You have given the some situations. Write advice या suggestion you will offer in your from your friend. आप अपने friend को क्या situations, इन situation में क्या advice दोगे? You have to write. One example has given. First situation is your friend is running high fever. Then what will your advice? Consult your doctor. Next one situation, your friend throws litter in the classroom. Then what will your advice? Use dustbin. Fourth one, your friend doesn't eat green vegetable or eat a lot of junk food. Then what will your advice? Don't eat junk food, eat green vegetables. Fourth situation is your friend bullies small children in the school. Then what will you say? Don't bully small children. And the next situation is your friend doesn't take part in any game or activity. Then what will your advice? Take part in any game or activity. So that is your advice you have to write. Now next is do it yourself. Identify the following sentences and write S for statements, Q for question and C for commands. First you have beta some statements I have given and you have to write. For the statements के लिए you have to write S and for question sentences you have to write Q and for command sentences you have to write C. So first one is, how can I reward you my young friend? So what will be the answer beta? What will be the answer? Yes, Q, that is the interrogative sentences, questions wale sentences, then we will put the Q. Next one, give me your magic cap. So that is a command, we will use the C. Now the next one, this magic cap will not make you happy, full stop. So that is the statement and so we will put the S. Next one is, do you have some Harry Potter novel? Yes, Q. I have all of them. S statement. Show me the latest Harry Potter novel. Show me the latest Harry Potter novel. So that is the command. So we will use the C. Next one, give me 30 cans of Tropicana pineapple juice. So that is also a C. Now, once again, why do you need so many of them? That is a question sentences. So we will put the Q. There is a get together at our house. we will put the, that is a statement sentence, and we will put the S. Now next one, why don't you read some storybook? That is an interrogative sentence or question sentences. We will put the Q. Next one, bring that fat book lying on the shelf. So that is a command sentence. We will put the Q, SC. And the next last sentence, it contains the word best fairy tale. We will put the S. So next one is rewrite the following story. That story has given, one story has given, and you have to rewrite this story with using capital letter, full stops, question mark wherever necessary. Okay beta? So a hawk was trying to catch a pigeon just then a nobleman captured it. First, a hawk was trying to catch a pigeon. So in the story or in the sentences, first word should be capital. So a should be capital. A hawk was trying to catch a, first letter should be capital. So a capital. A hawk was trying to catch a pigeon, then full stop. Then after just the J capital, just then a nobleman captured the hawk, full stop. The helpless hawk pleaded to be set free, full stop. You have to do like this, and you have to write in this book. Okay beta? Thank you so much.